भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्।
Hello, this is Mahati Chandra. On behalf of Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Manapakam branch, we are very thankful to Sujata Bharati ma'am, organizer of Vista HTTP, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to prove our dance talent during quarantine. We are also very thankful to our agent sir, beloved principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am and our parents for always encouraging us. Finally, we are very thankful to our classical dance teacher, Sai Purni ma'am, for always guiding us. Many Chaitanya Amans have come from their houses to destroy the dangerous coronavirus, evil thoughts and evil habits around us in the world, finally bringing positive thoughts to lead a happy, healthy, peaceful and long life by following our ancestors' advice. So now I am going to speak about the awareness of coronavirus. Morning, have a betel leaf with 4 pepper, a pinch of ziragam, turmeric powder, raw salt. Remove the tip and edge of the betel leaf completely, which cleans our lungs and our whole body. Use mask while going outside. Thank you. Hello, this is Mahati Chandra from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Manapakam branch, going to perform for Amman team in Vista HTTV, Ungalalya Super Dancer Round 4. I hope you will all become devotional and bless us with a healthy, peaceful and long life. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.
School. We are very thankful to Sujata Bharati ma'am, organizer of V-Star HTTV, for giving us a wonderful opportunity to prove our dance talent during this quarantine. We are also thankful to AGM sir and beloved principal ma'am for always supporting us. Finally, thanks to our classical dance teacher Sai Purni ma'am. Yes, many Chaitanya Ammans have come from their house to destroy the dangerous coronavirus, evil thoughts, evil habits around us in the world. Finally, bringing positive thoughts among everyone, which leads a peaceful, healthy, long life, following our ancestors' advice. Now, I am going to speak about awareness of destroying every virus by our healthy habits. Morning, have a betel leaf with 4 pepper a pinch, cumin seed, a raw salt, turmeric powder in empty stomach, taking out the tip and edge of a betel leaf, which completely cleans our lungs and the whole body. Use mask while going outside. Thank you. Hello guys, I am Yas Bharat from grade 9 Sri Chaitanya Techno Manapakam School, performing Amman theme V-Star HD TV in Ungalil Yaar Super Dance Round 4. I hope you will all become devotional and bless us a healthy and peaceful long life. Thank you.
என்னடா இழுவ வேண்டது வேணா
तुम्हारी सब जवानी तुका अड़कड़िए ताई
கோபத்துல பங்குறக்கண்டா நீ மஞ்சத்தண்ணி மோட்டு பூஜடா
தண்ணீர ரொம்ப காலமா தண்ணீரை வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் போதுமா
சார் மறந்துட்டோமா?
எடுத்த வேத்தல காரியே அந்த வெள்ளனுக்கு வேல் கொடுத்த மாரியே வெள்ளி செவ்வா விரத காரியே ஒரு வெத்திலையா பொருந்த முத்து மாரியே மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருந்து திருங்கண்டு
studying in Sri Chaitanya Techno School Manapakam, performing for Amman team V-Star HDTV Ungalil Yaar Super Dance Round 4. I hope you will
வேண்டும் வரதா மாரியம்மா
శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారా జీవేశ్వరా శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారా జీవేశ్వరా శంకరా గానమే నీదని ప్రాణమే గానమని మౌన విచక్షణ ధ్యాన విలక్షణ రాగమే యోగమని ప్రాణము నీవని గానమే నీదని ప్రాణమే గానమని మౌన విచక్షణ ధ్యాన విలక్షణ రాగమే యోగమని నాదోపాసన చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను నేనైతే నాదోపాసన చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను నేనైతే దిక్కదింద్రజిత హిమగిరీంద్రసిత కందరా నీలకంధరా క్షుద్రులెరుగని రుద్రవీణ నిర్నిద్రదానమిది అవధరించరా గిని ధరించరా శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారా జీవేశ్వరా శంకరా